The freedom to deliver a great guest experience. Panasonic makes it possible, no matter the type of guest. Take the early arriver. With a Panasonic communication system, you can reach out to staff on connected mobile devices, so before the guests have even filled out the check-in form, you'll know their room's ready. Then there's the "My room is my office" type. Panasonic communications technology automatically switches to a new connection if needed, so nothing interrupts this guest's crucial business call. Meanwhile, Panasonic Projection has turned the hotel into a high-tech conference centre for this guest too. Ah yes, the Do Not Disturber, with single cable connectivity, superior Panasonic TV picture, and optimised room temperature. This guest will feel so at home he may never leave. And don't forget, our room's too cold. And her partner, our room's too hot. Panasonic provides flexible, low-energy air conditioning solutions. So actually, you probably won't meet these characters at all. And finally, the late arrival. But don't worry if the chef has left for the day. Even staff without culinary skills can deliver high-quality food with the Panasonic commercial oven. With connected hotel solutions, Panasonic helps you keep workflows smoother and your staff deliver great guest experiences more easily. Because Panasonic understands that when we help make your guests more comfortable, we put your mind at rest too.
Panasonic Business.